in a clear demonstration of the Russian Navy's advanced combat readiness and technological superiority. The multi-purpose Corvette Gremyashchiy of the Pacific Fleet successfully launched a Kalibr cruise missile and precisely struck a coastal target approximately 1,300 kilometers away. The live-fire exercise, conducted as part of ongoing large-scale Pacific Fleet drills, underscores Russia's ability to project precise, long-range power from relatively compact surface combatants across vast maritime distances. According to the Russian Ministry of Defense and Pacific Fleet Press Service, the crew of the Project 20,385 Corvette Gremyashchiy carried out the missile launch from the waters of Avacha Bay. The Kalibr missile traveled roughly 1,300 kilometers, about 808 miles, and hit its designated target at the Kura training range on the Kamchatka Peninsula within the calculated time frame. The firing took place under complex meteorological conditions and in a simulated heavy electronic warfare environment designed to replicate real combat challenges, including intense electronic jamming. Supporting ships, vessels, and naval aviation aircraft of the Pacific Fleet ensured the safety of the closed exercise zone. The drills form part of broader Pacific Fleet maneuvers involving around 60 ships and support vessels, approximately 30 aircraft, helicopters and drones, and more than 13,000 personnel operating across the Sea of Japan, the Sea of Okhotsk, and the northwestern Pacific Ocean. This successful engagement highlights the seamless integration of Russia's naval forces and the reliability of its precision-guided munitions under demanding conditions. The Gremyashchiy is the lead ship of the Project 20,385 class, an advanced evolution of the highly successful Project 20,380 Gremyashchiy class corvettes designed by the Almaz Central Marine Design Bureau. Built at the Severnaya Verf shipyard in St. Petersburg and commissioned into the Pacific Fleet in late 2020, pennant number 337. The vessel displaces around 2,500 tons, measures approximately 106 meters in length with a beam of 13 meters, and draws about 5 meters. It achieves a maximum speed of 27 knots and boasts an impressive range of 4,000 nautical miles at 14 knots, with an endurance of 15 days. Capabilities that allow sustained operations far from home ports. Unlike earlier corvettes optimized primarily for coastal defense, the Project 20,385 design incorporates significant enhancements for multi-mission versatility in both green water and open ocean environments. Key among these is the replacement of older anti-ship missile launchers with a universal vertical launch system, UKSK-3S14, featuring 8 cells. This system enables the ship to fire a range of advanced munitions, including the Kalibr family of cruise missiles, the supersonic Onyx anti-ship missiles, and even the hypersonic Zircon when configured. Air defense is provided by 16 Reddit vertical launch cells, capable of carrying 9 M96 or shorter-range 9 M100 missiles, with quad packing options, while close-in defense relies on 2 AK-630M rapid-fire guns. Anti-submarine warfare is handled by the Packet NK system with 324mm torpedo tubes, supported by advanced sonar suites including the Zarya M bow-mounted sonar and a towed array. A 100mm A190 main gun, electronic warfare systems, TK-25, decoys, and facilities for a Ka-27 helicopter complete the robust armament package. The ship features a steel hull with a composite superstructure for reduced radar signature, an integrated mast housing the advanced Zaslan multifunction AESA radar system, and improved habitability for extended deployments. These design choices make the Gremyashchiy a stealthy, highly capable platform that punches well above its weight class, embodying Russia's philosophy of equipping smaller surface combatants with strategic strike potential. At the heart of this successful test lies the Kalibr, also known as Club in Export Variants, family of cruise missiles, developed by the Novator Design Bureau, part of Almaz Anti. The ship launched Kalibr NK variants, particularly the Land Attack 3M14 series, offer exceptional range, estimated at 1,500 to 2,500 kilometers for domestic versions, high precision, and the ability to fly at extremely low altitudes to evade detection. Capable of striking both land and maritime targets, Kalibr missiles have proven their effectiveness in real-world operations since their combat debut in Syria in 2015 and subsequent widespread use. In this exercise, the missile's successful flight of 1,300 kilometers under electronic interference conditions reaffirms its resilience and accuracy. The Kalibr's ability to navigate complex trajectories, maintain low-level flight, and deliver precise effects at extreme ranges transforms a Corvette like the Gremyashchiy into a strategic asset capable of holding targets at risk deep inland or across wide ocean expanses from relatively safe standoff positions. This latest demonstration reinforces the growing combat potential of Russia's Pacific Fleet and the overall modernization of the Russian Navy. By equipping compact, cost-effective corvettes with long-range precision strike weapons, Russia achieves significant force multiplication. A single Gremyashchiy can deliver effects traditionally associated with much larger vessels or land-based systems, enhancing deterrence and operational flexibility across the vast Pacific theater. The successful engagement amid electronic warfare conditions further proves the maturity of Russian guidance, navigation, and control systems, as well as the high level of crew training. Pacific Fleet exercises of this scale, involving thousands of personnel and dozens of platforms, continuously hone joint operations, readiness, and the ability to operate effectively in contested environments. Russian naval specialists note that platforms like the Gremyashchiy, combined with the versatile Kalibr system, provide reliable tools for defending national interests, securing maritime borders, and ensuring strategic stability. The continued refinement and deployment of such systems reflect Russia's commitment to maintaining a modern, balanced, and highly capable navy able to respond to any challenges in its operational areas. The Gremyashchiy's precise long-range strike stands as a tangible example of Russian engineering excellence, operational proficiency, and the effectiveness of its precision weapons. As the Pacific Fleet continues its intensive training cycle, this achievement sends a clear message of capability and resolve.